Hey guys, in today's video we're going to check out one of the best coffee maker. This Cuisinart DCC-3200 Coffee Maker is based on the results of years of research. In this video, we will measure its price, design, features and most importantly its quality. If you're looking for a coffee maker with affordable prices, then we have the right product for you with reasonable prices. Do check the link in the description below. Without any further delay, let's start. The Cuisinart DCC-3200 Coffee Maker is fully programmable and has a capacity of 14 cups. You can adjust the intensity of the brew with an intuitive user interface, and the coffee maker also has a self-cleaning system that takes care of the internal mechanisms. Compared to prior versions, the 3200 has a larger capacity, improved self-cleaning capabilities, and better insulation on the standard carafe, meaning that you won't need to spend as much time disassembling the unit for deep cleaning and that it's more energy efficient. Timed brewing. Programmable timed brewing is one of the core features of the DCC-3200. If you want to wake up to a hot pot of coffee ready for your enjoyment, you'll need to synchronize the coffee maker's clock with its automatic brewing function. Self-cleaning mode. With many coffee makers, you'll need to disassemble the entire unit if you want to perform a deep cleaning of the internal mechanisms responsible for brewing your coffee. With the DCC-3200, the self-cleaning mode takes care of this chore for you. You'll still need to clean the carafe heating surface, the bucket where the grounds are stored, and the interior filter. However, when you want to clean the water heating element in the pipeworks, the self-clean function is the right choice. Brewing strength options. With the DCC-3200, your coffee can be brewed as standard strength or in bold strength. When you opt for the machine to brew your coffee in bold strength, it will pass less water through the coffee grounds. It will also pass more steam through your coffee grounds, and at a slightly higher pressure than normal. Capacity. This 14-cup programmable coffee maker has a capacity of 70 ounces total since Cuisinart's cups are 5 ounces. This is almost 9 servings in modern 8 ounces mugs. Customization. This coffee maker offers you lots of brew customization options that will help you program exactly what they want with minimal effort. It is quite easy to use. Programmable. This is a fully programmable coffee maker and all the features work efficiently. The brew pause feature is one of the many you will enjoy using. Materials. It is made with the right materials and designed in a manner that will make it last for a long while. The 3-year warranty is another positive indicator that it is a durable coffee machine. Design. The design of a coffee maker may have very little to do with the quality of brew you can obtain with it, but it is still an important factor to consider. Since the coffee maker is going to be part of your kitchen appliances, it needs to look as great as possible. This Cuisinart is not one of the most eye-catching coffee makers on the market. Taste. A good cup of coffee will get you fired up for the day, but that is not all that matters to real coffee lovers. Aside from the stimulation, real coffee lovers cherish the taste of coffee in their mouth. Whether you want it regular or bold, or you want to make it hotter, coffee should always taste good. Our review. The Cuisinart DCC-3200 14-cup programmable coffee maker is an excellent machine for the home coffee customer who wants to get the best with minimal effort. The well-built and fully programmable machine has several incredible features that make coffee making easier. It is also a reliable machine that will deliver top-quality cups of coffee once the brewer gets few things right. It is a self-cleaning machine and very easy to maintain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get updates and information on the trending products. Your feedback is important to us. In the comment box, you can let us know what else we can add for you regarding Cuisinart DCC-3200 Coffee Maker. Which product interests you, and get updates, features, and details about it.